Water damage causing soft spots in your floors is one of the sneakiest problems that can totally wreck your home if you don't handle it right away. So, first thing, you gotta dry out the area completely. Like, grab fans, dehumidifiers, whatever you can find to suck that moisture up fast. Next, check every board that feels squishy or weak, because those are toast and need to be swapped out. Don't just cover it up with rugs or furniture hoping nobody notices. Moisture trapped under the surface just gets worse. When you pull out the damaged boards, make sure you inspect what's underneath for any mold or rot, because that stuff spreads quick and smells nasty. If you catch it early, the fix is way cheaper and less stressful. Use wood that matches the existing floor to keep things looking smooth and seamless. After replacing, seal the new boards properly so you don't get a repeat problem down the line, and keep an eye out for any leaks or spills that might have caused the water damage in the first place. Fix those pronto. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water damage and soft floor spots is ignoring it until it's a huge mess. That just makes repairs way pricier and harder. Another common slip-up is not drying the area thoroughly, which lets mold grow and ruins more wood over time. Always take your drying seriously. Lastly, some folks try to patch soft spots without replacing all the damaged boards, which leads to weak floors and more damage later on. It's better to swap out everything that's compromised so your floor stays sturdy. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find local contractors who really know their stuff when dealing with water damage and flooring repairs. Plus, it helps contractors get found by people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to fixing up your home.